The door to hell, aka the Darvaza Crater, is a pit of flames in the middle of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan.
Despite the country's best efforts to keep the tourists away, a drone just captured amazing footage of this fiery pit, and we're going to talk about it right now on I.O.
Welcome back to InformOverload. I'm the Potato Queen, Charlotte Dobre.
And I'm the Bacon King, Johnny Rogers, and on this channel we make the news more entertaining for you guys. So if you're sick of the same old news cycle, hit that subscribe button, hit it right now, and follow the I.O. team on Instagram.
150 miles away from the capital of Turkmenistan, there lies a fiery flame pit, appropriately nicknamed the Door to Hell. It's burned consistently for almost 50 years.
In case you're wondering, Satan is not causing the fiery Darvaza Crater to burn, but it's also not natural either. The crater is thought to be man-made, and it's believed that the door to hell opened due to an engineering accident in 1971 after a Soviet mining ring collapsed.
Why am I not surprised that humans opened the door to hell? According to the Daily Mail, back in the 70s when the Soviet Union was still a thing, the Russians heavily drilled the desert looking for natural gas. Turkmenistan is the fourth richest country in the world for natural gas reserves.
Some miscalculations later, machinery and engineers ended up falling through the ground and gas began pouring into the atmosphere, which made it impossible for people in the surrounding villages to live there.
The solution? The best option was to light up the gas and wait for the gas field to dry up, which never ended up happening because the door to hell is still burning almost 50 years later. That's kinda awkward.
Enter the age of social media. When people want to flock to the door to hell to capture pictures and footage of it, hundreds of tourists visit the site every year. That being said, you can't literally go inside the crater without specialized equipment, unless dying in a fiery pit is kinda your thing. The pit burns at a temperature that can reach 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1,830 degrees Fahrenheit for you American folk.
But a drone operator and photographer flew his drone right into the mouth of the fiery pit and captured some amazing aerial footage of it. The photographer's name is Alessandro Belgiojoso, and he put footage up on his Instagram page.
Now we can't actually show the video because it's owned by TNT Creative Media, but if you check out Alessandro's Instagram page, it really is quite remarkable.
Did you know, Johnny, that someone has actually gone inside the door to hell on foot and lived to talk about it?
No, I didn't, Charlotte, but this video is pretty short as it stands right now, so why don't you tell us about it?
Gladly. In 2013, a group led by world-famous Canadian explorer George Coronis descended down into the Door to Hell crater and walked across the surface. He managed to stay inside the crater for an entire 15 minutes because he wore a heat-reflective suit and was equipped with a breathing apparatus and custom-made harness. While he was down there, he didn't find any demons or gargoyles, but he did find bacteria that was able to survive on the fiery rocks.
Ah, the more you know. Alright guys, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's comment time! These comments were from our video Vegan YouTuber Ravana caught eating fish and fans are not impressed.
Elizabeth Chanel said, how are you guys doing? I'm doing alright, how you doing, Johnny?
I'm not bad. Alright.
It's good.
The Grinch says, if this guy is the Bacon King and the other girl is the Potato Queen, is the British lady the Sour Cream Queen?
I think that's what we decided, yeah.
Yeah, I
or
just kinda...
Cheese Queen.
Cheese Queen. People like the Cheese Queen. Sour Cream Queen just doesn't fit. Doesn't sound right.
Makes her sound sour.
I love sour cream.
I love sour cream, but not in people.
Yeah, not in people form.
Not in people form.
No.
James G said, I love that the back and forth sounds like a married couple fighting.
It's whatever she wants. Original Asherella says, you guys look so 90s, you could totally be extras on Beverly Hills 90210. Or better yet, My So-Called Life. Extras? I'm offended.
Hell, I'm gonna be the star of the show.
Yeah.
You can be the co-star.
Co-star?
Yeah.
Co-star of the show?
Go.
I'll be the guy always fixing his hair. He's always in the back somewhere fixing his hair. It's the guy from Saved by the Bell. I feel like, what's his name?
The Fonz. Oh no.
No, the Fonz.
The Fonz. What's his name?
Anyways.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching all the way until the end. I know it was tearjerker.
It's tough.
Just pulling teeth. But if you want to keep watching I.O., you should check out that playlist right there. And if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications so we can see you in a future I.O. video.
Plus, no, you're missing it. Plus, if they want to send us a story, look up the Instagram page. Send us a message. InformOverload, Instagram. Go follow it.
Okay, are you done now?
Yeah, I'm your Bacon King, Johnny Rogers.
And I'm Charlotte Dobre.
Take care.